Ever smile or give a good old thumbs up to a stranger on the street? It's all good and well in person, but why in the digital world is it considered anything but nice? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and I'm about to save you from a texting disaster. That's right, those beloved emoticons you're so accustomed to using may land you in hot water. See this skull emoji above my shoulder? Well, contrary to what the image portrays, this little guy is actually used to express amusement. Whether you find a joke or image or whatever funny, use this emoji. Now, do not, however, use this emoji when discussing death unless you want the receiver to think you find it funny. To avoid offending anyone, do not use a smiley face to express joy. This one is really bonkers, but according to texting etiquette, approved by teens everywhere, the smiley face emoji is actually a passive-aggressive and patronizing gesture now. We suggest you use any of the other smiley face emojis, such as these. Any of them will work and don't come with a cynical double meaning. On to the modern day middle finger emoji, or what many call the thumbs up emoji. That's due to this emoji being heavily used as a conversation ender. It can be misconceived as a dismissive and passive-aggressive response, even when it is not your intention. Best to go with these hang loose emoji or rock on emojis in its place. You want to see if you're using an emoji incorrectly or correctly? Head to cyberguy.com and make sure you sign up for my free newsletter.